Welcome to World of BRS IoT Solutions.
About us. At BRS Software, we are passionate about revolutionizing the industrial sector through cutting-edge IoT solutions. We specialize in developing advanced technologies that empower businesses to optimize operations, increase efficiency, and drive growth. Our mission is to bridge the gap between traditional industries and the digital era, empowering organizations to unlock the full potential of Industry 4.0. We understand the unique challenges faced by industrial businesses, and we are dedicated to providing innovative, reliable, and tailored IoT solutions that address those challenges head-on. Our expertise in IoT, data analytics, and connectivity, we offer a comprehensive suite of solutions designed to transform the way industries operate. Our intuitive and scalable platform enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, asset tracking, and intelligent data-driven insights. By harnessing the power of IoT, we help our clients make informed decisions, optimize processes, and achieve operational excellence. With our iIndustry application and IoT devices, we pride ourselves on our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. We collaborate closely with our clients, understanding their unique needs and challenges, and delivering customized solutions that exceed their expectations. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional support and service at every step of the journey. Join us in shaping the future of the industrial landscape, Industry 4.0. Let BRS Software be your trusted partner in embracing digital transformation, driving innovation, and unlocking the true potential of your business. Our IoT architecture is designed to be flexible, allowing for both LAN and WAN connectivity. We provide the option to control devices either through cable connections or wirelessly. There are two methods available to communicate with devices from a PC or laptop. Direct access. With this method, communication is established with one device at a time. You can control device operations such as start, stop, and configuring, etc. However, this method does not provide access to reports or data analysis. Application access. This method enables simultaneous communication with multiple devices through our iIndustry application. The application interface allows for generating reports and performing data analysis once the data is received from the device or devices. Key benefits of product and service. Device control. iIndustry applications allow users to monitor and control devices in real time. Users can turn devices on or off, adjust settings, and receive notifications or alerts based on specific events or conditions. Real-time data. Real-time data is transmitted from the connected devices to a central processing unit or a cloud-based platform through wired or wireless communication protocols. This enables the data to be instantly available for processing and analysis. Data analysis. IoT data analysis results in a visually intuitive and easily understandable manner. Graphs, charts, dashboards, and interactive visualizations help stakeholders comprehend the insights derived from IoT data. Dashboard. The dashboard allows users to access and analyze historical data collected from IoT devices. Users can view trends, compare data over time, and perform retrospective analysis to gain a competitive advantage, enhance customer experiences, and uncover new opportunities for growth. Our products and services. We provide IoT devices. We also provide software application. Software and devices are connected with interface protocol. We offer a range of IoT devices designed to enhance industrial processes and improve efficiency. Our current lineup includes Universal Strength Machine, Sand AFS Calculator, Wet Tensile Strength, Hot Tensile Strength. Alongside our IoT devices, we offer an intuitive interface application called iIndustry, which provides comprehensive coverage of various functions and features, including Wi-Fi connectivity. Our IoT devices operate on a Wi-Fi-based infrastructure, providing the advantage of a wire-free environment, which result in convenience and reduces maintenance costs associated with traditional wired setups. Device information. Access detailed information about connected devices, such as specifications, operating parameters, and status updates. Device history information. View the historical data and performance records of devices, enabling effective analysis, troubleshooting, and planning. Test information. Keep track of test results and performance metrics gathered from the IoT devices, allowing for easy comparison, trend analysis, and data-driven decision-making. Dashboards. Get a visual overview of key metrics, real-time data, and operational insights through customizable dashboards, empowering users to monitor and control processes efficiently. Analysis. Leverage advanced data analytics capabilities within iIndustry to extract valuable insights, identify trends, and uncover patterns in the collected data, facilitating process optimization and performance improvement. Our all-control units now come equipped with cutting-edge HMI displays, aligning with the latest technological trends. These displays offer a rich user interface (UI) experience, providing intuitive navigation and the convenience of effortless operation. With sleek touchscreen functionality, users can interact seamlessly with our control units, accessing critical functions and settings with ease. This advancement not only enhances user satisfaction but also boosts productivity by streamlining workflows and reducing the learning curve associated with traditional interfaces. iIndustry offers the convenience of managing multiple company businesses within a single application instance. The main screen of application provides a centralized hub for accessing various modules, each represented by a distinct icon corresponding to the respective functions. To enhance user experience and facilitate navigation, each module and application follows a consistent color scheme. This color scheme helps users easily identify their current location within the application, ensuring seamless transitions between modules. By utilizing a unified interface and color coordination, iIndustry empowers users to efficiently switch between different business contexts while maintaining clarity and context awareness throughout their interactions with the application. Our system allows for the storage of machine information as a master record. This includes details such as the manufacturer, model, make, rate per operation, etc. Additionally, through the application interface, we provide user access restrictions for machine actions. It will help to track machine access information by user. With protocol information, machines can effectively interpret the data received after test completion. In iIndustry, we introduce a groundbreaking approach to data representation with its innovative desktop view for each application. This desktop view presents a unified and comprehensive display of information, offering users a holistic overview of the relevant data. When we drill down into a specific machine, we can access all relevant information about that machine. Test information. This section allows us to view all tests that have been conducted on the machine within a fiscal year. We have the flexibility to group this information according to our specific needs, such as grouping by customer, test type, status, month, and more. Service/breakdown. In this section, we can access the machine's maintenance and service records. It provides details about the maintenance actions performed, including the date, frequency, reasons for maintenance, authorized personnel, and service providers. Analysis. By analyzing the machine's utilization on a monthly basis within the fiscal year, we can make informed decisions. This analysis helps us identify if the machine is being overutilized, which may necessitate the purchase of another machine to meet the demand. Quality chart. The quality chart provides valuable insights into the test results, specifically the number of tests accepted and rejected each month. By examining this chart, we can identify any patterns or anomalies, such as a higher rejection rate in a particular month. This allows us to investigate and address the underlying causes for the rejections. Our test function offers the ability to select specific machine or machines and obtain live data. We can monitor live test results as soon as the machine completes the testing, or alternatively, we can download the stored readings to update the log. Application have the capability to communicate with multiple machines simultaneously. We have complete control over machine actions, including starting tests, stopping them, and updating setting information. Once a sample has been provided, there is no need to physically go to the location of the machine. You can conveniently access and manage single or multiple machines from a central location. Upon receiving the data, it is automatically logged into our local/cloud database. In case of any data errors, manual modifications can be made. Once the data is confirmed, reports and charts can be printed. Our desktop view function allows comprehensive access to all test logs. For detailed analysis, you can easily group the logs by machine, date, customer, test type, and more. Each machine can have its own reporting format. Some can have chart to display test result. Chart representation will help to take quick analysis. Here are some of key benefits of Industry IoT Control Unit and iIndustry application. 1. Enhanced efficiency. IoT enables real-time monitoring and analysis of industrial processes, allowing for more efficient resource allocation, predictive maintenance, and optimized workflows. This can result in reduced downtime, improved productivity, and cost savings. 2. Remote monitoring and control. IoT sensors and devices can collect data from machines, equipment, and environments, enabling remote monitoring and control. This enables industrial operators to have visibility and control over operations, even from remote locations. 3. Predictive maintenance. By collecting and analyzing data from sensors and devices, IoT can help predict and prevent equipment failures and breakdowns. This allows for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. 4. Improved quality control. IoT sensors can continuously monitor and collect data on various parameters, allowing for real-time quality control and early detection of defects or deviations. This leads to higher product quality and customer satisfaction. Contact us on brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website for more information.